Hey guys, welcome back to Charlie's Garage. Old Project Pete went down on us. We was getting a bad misfire. We actually thought someone vandalized the truck because we had it parked at a certain area and we didn't know what was going on. And I hooked a computer to it. Still couldn't get a good reading on the code. Everything went to the computer. It said fail, so I went and bought a new computer for it. I ended up getting it out of New York under $200, which wasn't bad, but we still had a misfire. Couldn't figure out what it was. Started doing some research, and what it is your plenum gasket. Here's your intake on your 97 Dodge Ram. This little thing right here, it's got a gasket. It goes around, they all blow out either here or over here on the passenger side. That's what causes your misfire. If you're getting a misfire, disconnect your vacuum lines on your intake while your truck's running. Take your oil cap off, and if you start getting suction where your oil cap is, your plenum gasket's blue. They're not cheap, it's just a pain in the ass. I'll tell you right now, when you do this, this bolt here and this bolt here will snap. They're on the outside of the motor, and the best way to do it, you'll see people, oh, let's weld a nut on it and all this shit. It doesn't work. What you have to do is you got to take steps of drill bits. You're going to go in the center of that where it breaks. And you're just going to keep drilling down, upsizing your drill bits till you can take a little chisel and tap the bolt in on itself, and you can punch it right through. When you do, get your thread chaser, run it back down through there, you're good to go. But if you're getting a misfire on your Dodge truck, 97 to 2002, and you're getting vacuum when you're taking your cap off, you can feel it when you got all your vacuum lines off your intake and it still has suction, your plenum gasket blew. This is just a tip to let you know, but this is a pain in the ass job, especially when those bolts break down inside the head. But you have to take a little drill bit and keep working your way up till you get it close to it, then you could tap in the bolt and punch it through. But that's the only way I figured out how to do it. But once this gets put on, I'll do another video and we'll see it running and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching Charlie's Garage. Like, subscribe. See you guys later and have a safe day.